guys be putting forward. I'll play open cards with you. You paid 1250 for it, so yeah. But the thing is, then he's gonna have to pay comms. That might be similar. Does he specifically want the golf course, or it's just that particular?
Hi, howdy.
I've got another one, bro.
Lekker boys. Lekker boys.
Yes, okay, let me help you. Oh, we can come back.
You need to come forward.
Thanks, man.
Sorry.
It happens, man. Yo. Nice.
Hey, let me give you mine. Yeah.
Thank you. What a mission.
12, but yeah, the meets up here, everything's just postponed. I guess so. Chilling. There's like only 4 of us, so.
Typical day.
Yacht's inspired thing. It's too hot, bro.
Which one?
The Yacht's inspired shots.
Oh yeah,
Too
that
hot.
one was just ridiculous.
It's even the jet ski to go with you, you're not penthouse.
Uh-huh.
And when you come back, it's beach.
Perfect. Thank you so much, man. Really appreciate it. Hello. How are you? Good, thank you.
I have stolen this prop in our camera. It's Uncle Taylor. And we are now the stars of the show.
That's gonna go into like a listing video type of video montage of the interior shots of this home, and then the next shot's like right as soon as we come in, then we're gonna start the YouTube video.
Yeah, this is hard, bro.
Rolling, yeah. What we do on this channel is that we explore and showcase some of the most starting on the internal space of this penthouse. Firstly, I'd like to welcome everyone to this beautiful penthouse. This penthouse is occupied.
What can you tune us about this place?
Let me take you guys through some of the cooler features, some of the features that are cool to me. I don't know if everyone will think the same, but these are some of the things that I thought are nice little touches. So the first thing is these privacy screens. Obviously, depending on where you end up sitting on the patio, you can bring these across, close up certain sections. Still going to keep the house nice and bright, but depending on where you're sitting, you get to slide these around, and that'll give you a little bit of privacy from the neighbors. You can see they've got the same thing. Another thing that was quite interesting for me that I noticed, I don't know who did the interiors and the designs and all the setting of this place, but Robert Greene's Mastery, a book that I quite like. It's a book that I've read a couple times. Thought that was quite interesting. Normally you find the books here are just props, but these are actual books that people know. So I thought that was quite cool, and it matches the color scheme of the apartment. This second bedroom over here, quite like the way they put this glass room divider in here. The glass is really nice with the black framing. Some people, oftentimes when we have these open rooms, people will ask us like, oh, what about privacy and stuff? Usually you're married, you're not that private with one another anyway, but if it's really bugging you, you can sandblast and get you know, a opaque finish to the glass, and then you won't be able to see through, but you'll still get the light into the bathroom space.
Laka, this is quite a nice place, Machana.
Not too bad, eh?
Not too bad. How much does one of these places go for?
This exact one will cost you 11,397,000 rand on the dot.
I see. What are those two oaks doing upstairs?
They've been filming.
They've been filming. Ooh.
And yeah, so if this one is just under 11.1, sorry, 11.4, they do have bigger and smaller units. And I believe they're building another set of these units in another tower in the future. But I mean, this whole node is developing really, really fast, and you know, quite exciting little hub. And
nice.
I mean, pretty much all around where you look, you'll see earthworks, you'll see deep excavation. So this place is fast.
And this is Waterfall, yeah?
This is Waterfall, so right across from all of Africa. And this is
Amazing.
the second most building next to us here.
Amazing.
Favorite part about the penthouse?
Favorite part about the penthouse? I'm quite a fan of the light fixtures in this house, actually. Quite like that one there, especially. And he's quite sexy.
Nice. Favorite part about the penthouse?
Oof. All of it, man. The attention to detail,
Yep.
pretty phenomenal.
Yep.
These two full-length patios as well.
Uh-huh.
Ridiculous. All in all, I would live here. Would recommend.
Nice. When you dropping the merch, bro. People are wanting the merch, bro.
We'll let them know. There'll only be 3 items, so
3 items.
better act quick.
Right, just finished off recording at this beautiful penthouse in Waterfall. Hope you guys did enjoy this vlog. This is something that we wanted to do more often, just to record the behind the scenes of what we do on a day-to-day basis. Go down in the comments, let me know if you guys enjoy this type of content, and let me know what other types of content you guys would like to see in the future. So from us at Let's Pop In, we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.